then loading the data set as a variable. So in NumPy, how we have created our array, we will use to give the value in the array method. Okay, inside that we have to pass the square bracket, right? Similarly, in the Panda library also we can create series and data set by passing our own value. Let us see how to create the series in Panda. So we have to use the method called series. Here you have to note one thing is the spelling as well as the capital letter S. So these two things are important. If you are making a spelling mistake or if you are not giving the S as caps, then definitely it will throw error because Python is a case sensitive. So to create a series, here what I have done is import pandas as PD. Okay, the short form of panda is PD. So dataset equal to PD dot series, and then I have created one list and I have passed that list into my series. Directly, if you want to give also, you can give that square bracket and you can pass the values directly. When I print the value, okay, in NumPy, if I print the value, so how you will get the output? You will simply get the output like, in the square bracket you will get, and the values will be separated by space. But in Panda series, you are getting the output along with the index number. Okay, what is the index number and what value it is holding? So both the information it is printing, and along with that it is printing the data type also. Okay, what is the type of this particular data also printed along with our output. In NumPy, if I want to check the data type separately means, then we have to give that particular variable name dot d type. Then only it will return the data type of that particular array. But here automatically it will show the data type in the bottom itself whenever you are trying to print the series. Suppose I am planning to give my own index value. Okay, instead of going for the default 0, 1, 2, 3, I want to give my own index value means, so that is also possible. At the time of creating your series itself, we can mention the attribute index equal to, and in the square bracket you can pass the index value. Okay, so how many values you are going to pass, so that many index value you have to pass it in this particular attribute also. So here what happened is automatically the values default index value has been changed to number 1, number 2, number 3, like that it has been changed. So hereafter, if I want to access the specific value, then I can give the customized index. Whatever index I have given, same index I can give it to access the value. So this is for creating a series. Similarly, if I want to create a data frame, okay, and I want to give some headings to my column. Okay, data frame, just remember like Excel sheet is there, in that you are entering your details. Usually we will give some column name, right? Similarly, for our data, you are planning to give column names for each column. Then what we can do is simply we can create a dictionary and we can pass the dictionary into our pandas data frame. So first we are creating a dictionary called data. So in the data, key value pair, right? So key is name, and then values I have given it in the list format. Again, color is going to be my key, and for that particular key, I have given some values. And I am passing that particular data into pd dot data frame. Again, here also D and F are caps. So you have to give it in caps. You should not give any space. Then if you are passing the data and I try to print what is present in my data set. So here you can able to see my output. So name and color came as the heading part, and index value we didn't pass anything, so default index it has taken, and the values are getting printed as expected. So this is how it will represent the data frame. So data frame is nothing but a collection of series. Okay, individually if you try to check means each individual column is a series. All together we call it as a data frame.